busy learning about Unity, a game engine. To commemorate this occasion, I decided to make a video about it. This is my journey on how I went from making terminal games to a Unity certified user programmer. So here you go. 6 months of Unity in 6 minutes. Unless you're into the game development business, you're probably wondering what a game engine is. A game engine is the engine that powers your game. Each engine has a language to program those games. Unity uses C#. How did I get into Unity in the first place, you might ask? Well, that's a simple answer. Before I used to make terminal games in Python. One day while I was working on a terminal game, I found Sam Hogan, Danny, and Steven who were making pretty professional games with this game engine called Unity. I known about it not too long ago, but never really knew it was that powerful. So, on August 28th, 2020, I downloaded Unity. Okay, now for some fun stuff. Basically, if you haven't played the free version of Carlson, it's this game where you try to take back the milk that was stolen from you by some dudes to move on. Which then inspired me to make a game with a pretty similar concept. You touch this purple plane to move on though. You're still in a facility, but with a difference of special planes that give you different abilities like higher jump, no fall damage, and even death. So I started and whipped up a project. I tried to design some levels and had no idea how baked lighting or stuff like that worked. That's when I wanted to make a player. I actually couldn't because I didn't know how to program in Unity. So I deleted the project and called it quits. This time I was determined to make a finished game. At the time I was playing this game called Rerun. Rerun was this game made by Danny, the YouTuber I was just talking about earlier, for the Brackeys Game Jam 2020.2 with the theme Rewind. That's not why I'm mentioning it though. I'm mentioning Rerun because of one of the mechanics in Rerun is that you touch a blue cube to move on. So I started and whipped up another project. I whipped up a level and I suck at level design, so it wasn't perfect. Here was my problem coming back though. I didn't know how to program player movement, but luckily I didn't have to. I found this tutorial by Danny on how to make player movement. It was more or less stealing this code, but it got the job done. One thing I didn't do, which I regret looking back now, is not looking or understanding the code I took. If you're stealing code, make sure you're understanding the code and not be old me. Anyways, I kept working on the game, adding a bunch of stuff, and yeah, I kept learning from YouTube and my own experience and experiments with the game. And for a while, I was actually making pretty decent progress. But then, something happened. One day, for some reason, I just couldn't understand some code. So my dad found this course from Unity Learn and advised me to take it. So I did. For the next 3 months, this was my Unity journey. At the beginning of the course, they told me if I finished, I could take a certificate. However, a month or two into the course, I took a 4-week vacation to visit my relatives, so I couldn't work on the course there. Okay, now here's where the real fun begins. The more I've been progressing this course, the more I can understand Unity and C#. At that point, I was confident to make a finished game. So one day, while I was on itch.io, not doing my course, I found the Blackthorn Prod Game Jam and decided to enter. This game jam made you finish the game in a week. To be honest, I haven't even made a game, finished one. Make one in a week? I mean, I have school, homework, and other things to do, which means I don't even get a week. Hell yeah, challenge accepted. So I got to work and the result was a nice game where you had to try to defend the Earth from falling asteroids. How I made it is for another video coming soon. Anyways, I was really proud of this game and really enjoyed making it. I mean, it's my first ever published game. A month later, I was eligible to take the Unity Certified User Programmer exam. So I decided to prepare for the exam. I created quite a few prototypes like a local multiplayer spaceship shooter, a simple game of physics, and even a video player that can play videos from the internet. The point was to help me refresh what I've learned for this exam. All 3 of these projects don't have a single line of code taken from Stack Overflow. After some studying, I scheduled an appointment at Friday, February 26, 2021. The exam was amazing and I even passed, scoring 820 out of 100. The minimum score needed to pass was 700. Which means I am now an official Unity certified user programmer. And what made it better is that I turned 11 in the same month. And done! 6 minutes. I still want to address a few things before I end the video. I've been gone for a little while because of the course and the vacation. I promise I'll try to upload as consistently as possible. I'm trying out scripts for this video. It's so hard to get some good words in there though, so that's a problem. I hope I did well with this script though. I have a few ideas for the future of this channel. I'm going to continue the Coding Cosmos series, the Minecraft Texture Pack series, and also adding a few more things. I also want to make an indie game and share devlogs of it. I also want to make tutorials on how to use Unity for kids. And tutorials on making custom coded Minecraft servers with Java. Thank you if you made it this far. See ya! If you liked the video, please like. If you enjoy what I do here, consider subscribing. It's totally free and optional. Bye.